A pink egg. What's inside is surprise. It's a red car. Go. Fast. So fast. A little cow. Blue egg. So pretty. Wow. Look. A shark and Chase. Chase is on the case. Carton blue clay. 1, 2, 3. Green egg. Let's open it. Yummy! A green apple. Thomas the Tank Engine. Purple egg. Shake, shake, shake. A purple dinosaur. Raw. Yellow egg, like the sun. Banana. 1, 2. Cut. The last one, orange. A pterodactyl and Zuma. Great job! We found them all. Yay! Pink, blue, green, purple, yellow, orange. Bye-bye. Give us a thumbs up.